was placing the picture in this particular box, that is because of this row span 3. Okay, so if I am going to take out this particular format, okay, so here yeah, this one, what is that? Yeah, X. So if I'm going to remove that from that particular area, okay, so you'll be going to get so much big picture, and there are 3 rows will be there in that. So how to reduce the size of this? So by placing width and height of this picture, that we can able to reduce it. Width and height I am specified, so automatically that picture has been reduced. Okay, so like this you can create n number of operations in the this particular tables. Okay, now let us move to the forms. Okay, yeah, here is the form. Okay, so it has been written as I'm already discussed about these things. Okay, so there is a legend. This is a field set and legend information. It is going to be here, right? So where this is get applied here, you can see that here there is a paragraph which is going to start over here. The form contains the student data. So this is a paragraph. Then it has been written here. Then there is a pre tag is there. There is a predefined tag. There is a field set legend student information that it has been written here. Correct. Then label text. This is the text. Formatting I have done it. Okay. There is a input type is text. So you can able to write the information here. Okay. So write that some names you can specify it. Myself only will write. Okay. Then after there is a address is there here. Okay, label address. So this is a text area. So I have told you that there are 2 things in this. One is text area and another is placeholder. So only if you write the text area with this, the data is going to be present there itself. I'm going to write that SSCE. Okay, it is written over there itself. Okay, it is not the content is not vanished, but here the same thing, that is this one. This is the text area. Okay, starts and closes here. Then another address text area with placeholder is there. Enter the some text. So it is going to be here. Now on the at that time I said that when I place some things that it is going to change, right? So here if I am going to write, automatically the data is going to be get changed over there, right? Something that you can able to make the changes. Then password is there here. Okay. So what I said about the password is equals to type is password is there. So when you type it, so it is going to be the star that it is going to be displayed here. Yes, the dot format. And email is there, that particular email format you should write it. Okay, so like this you can able to write. Then you have the telephone number that you can able to write the telephone numbers it is going to be. Okay, so as a placeholder it has been given here again. So because of that the data is going to be present. Now you start writing. Okay, it will go out. So this is what the field set, legend and the form. And here we have one more set. This is a field set with the legend. So this is a select list is there. This is another format where the input type is going to be text, name is city, list is going to be cities. So you see that the placeholder is there. Okay, select the cities. Now when it comes to this particular point, then you can able to drag and drop options are going to be there in this. Okay, so here it is going to be. Now you see when you take this one pointer over there, then only it is getting activated, right? So click on this, you get the cities. So those cities we have written here. You see that here, data list. Okay, ID cities, Calicut, then Calgary, London. So many things that we have been written. So any one of this one that you can able to select, it comes here. this is a text box. Okay, this only that it is going to be forwarded to the server. Similarly, we have one more set. This is a field set. It is going to be this is another one. Select the form. Under this form, it is going to get selected. Okay, so here if you click, any one of this one is get selected. So here we have written option is selected already, third point. Because of that, already third is there. If I am going to remove this one, third selected here from the option, okay, it will be not. It will be not. Okay, you have to select it. By default, first is getting displayed over there. So you can able to select this one also here. Now selected. I am written for the second one. Now you see, okay, second is selected by default. But you can able to drag and drop. You can able to make it. You can select any one of this. Again, one more is another category is there. In this category, there the option group is there and options are there in that. So in the category you can have this options. You see. So option group is label North America and option group label is Europe. Under those things, the categories have been, options have been presented. You can select any one of these things. Got it? So you can write. These are all the formats where it is going to be applicable when you will be going to use the particular applications. Okay. So which application that it needs, those things according to that, these things are get executed over there. Right? So form is going to be seen like this. This is a form. Got it? Fine. And some more thing that I wanted to discuss here. Okay. About the layouts. Next is about the layouts is there. So let us see that how the layouts are going to be. Okay. So here it is. Table layout is there. Layout. Okay. So layouts are nothing but they are going to be the formatted way that it is going to get displayed here. It is nothing but separate columns, separate things that it is going to be present here. Okay. So how to do that particular thing in this form? So again, it is a it is like a small project. It is going to be okay. You can able to see here. You see, you can able to see here. This is the heading. Okay. This is another link where the ribbon we can say. So links it can get created over here, and this is one more data format where you can able to place some headings or some titles. Okay. Then again you'll be going to have this here. Okay, blocks you can able to create it here like this. You can able to create the blocks and footer. So header, footer, these things that you can able to create all these things. This is a simple project. It is going to be, in my view, it is going to be called as a simple project. Okay, website it is designed. You can able to design like this. Okay, so how this it is came into the picture? Let us see those things over here. Okay, now here see HTML head stands under the style only. We'll be going to write all the things. Okay, there is a box sizing. It is general. Wherever that you want, you can apply it. It applies. Box sizing is going to be border box. Then body is there. For this body, we'll be going to have font family is going to be Arial. Padding is 10 pixel. Background is some that color is there. Okay. Then we have headings. Header. Okay. So this is header. So 30 pixel is there. Text line is center. Background is going to be white. So you can change this one. Can change this particular things. So let us see how that it works. Okay. Green, if I say, automatically it comes. Okay, fine, got it. White is already there. Okay, pink. Okay, you can keep. Then header H1 size is going to be 50 pixel. So instead of 50